something they're not too crazy about, and also they're eating in a way that is not necessarily very healthy. So we're now at a point where I think there's more awareness, and we have people like Bill Clinton talking about adopting a plant-based lifestyle. It's pretty darn huge what's happening. There's a movie called Forks Over Knives coming out, and that is features the work of Colin Campbell and Caldwell Esselstyn, two individuals who Bill Clinton actually cites for his reason for going to a plant-based diet. And our concerns are raised to a new level. We have, for this year, Ellen DeGeneres was the national spokesperson for the Adopt a Turkey program. There's amazing stuff happening, and people stepping forward like Adi this year. Amazing how you step forward to help this Adopt a Turkey program reach new levels. And then all the volunteers who are part of this event. And I'll just end with a little. Well, I'll first say, animal abuse is a people problem. If we're going to stop this cruelty, we need to talk to people about it. And I encourage you all to, hopefully you've taken some pictures here, but if not, take some really quickly and share them with your friends on Facebook and through social networks. Get people thinking about these issues and talking about these issues. One of the big problems is that people don't think enough about these issues and eat in a sort of mindless way and live their lives without thinking about the consequences of their choices. And those consequences are profound when it comes to food, in terms of animals, our own health, and the environment. So animal abuse is a people problem, and each of us can play a role. If you adopt a turkey, put the picture of the turkey up in your workplace, let people know about these things, and get people thinking about these things. It's so important. And the last thing I'll just mention, just as sort of a shout out to the long history of volunteers at Farm Sanctuary, is many of you know who Hilda is, I think? Hilda the sheep, who was rescued from a dead pile in Lancaster Stockyards, our first rescued animal. We found her literally thrown on a pile of dead animals. And took her off the dead pile, and she lived with us for more than 10 years before she died. And we actually started a Hilda Club society for major donors. But Hilda was named after our first intern, whose name was Hilda. And over the years, we've had hundreds of interns who have come through Farm Sanctuary and have given selflessly to help animals and to help us do our work. And that is the spirit of this movement. Those are the unsung heroes that really make things happen. Along with the volunteers who work on initiatives like Proposition 2 here in California that passed in 2008. There are thousands of volunteers there. So this movement really does bring out the best of humanity. It's got a huge heart and a huge dedication and a huge passion, and it is really an honor to be part of it. So thank you all very much, and let's, I guess, enjoy I don't know what else happens next, but thank you all, and stay in touch.